Welcome to More Zion Music, the platform where we react to Zion Music with full love for our bonus breakdown. I'm going to try and get the message behind the song. We give positive feedback, we inspire others. Basically, we post on toxic Zion content. Basalwan, Ningang Kaplan, Tulo. Hey, world! As I'm recording this, we are sitting on 522 subscribers. Yeah! Look, we all know my favorite song when it comes to the album and S Across. But this song, Basalwan, this song just decided to take on a life on its own. It has been making rounds on the internet since it was dropped. Since it was dropped. If you ask me how many people have asked me, yo, bro, you playing Gomele? I was like, I'm finding cross. I'm fit. I understand. So I got a mention on TikTok. It's a video. Oh, video. Hang out Sunday. You'll get the video. Today's Sunday. And let me tell you something, bro. If Cross was able to have such a ripple effect with their first album, imagine an album drop after this. Can just sit down and wrap your head around that, bro. Like sit down and try to wrap your head around that. If Cross is able to have such an effect with their first album, abang album elandelayo ukuthi kuyoba njani. So, rating to Cross uzophakama izidal. This song is I loved it. I loved it the first time in Reactor Go. So, yo, without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. And I said, bruh, when they drop whichever video from when they drop whichever video from the album, I wanna react it. I wanna react to it. I wanna be yay. I wanna be yay. 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 Basalwan, nyan cool. You remember I said it. I told you guys man reacted to that album. I don't think we are ready. I don't think we are ready for what is going to transpire as Zion the next 6 years. I don't think we are, bro. I put that on God. I don't think we are ready, bro. Not just anything, but music or your puma for the next 6 years. Hey, SG, hello. I'm really late now. It's enough of minutes now. Now, yeah. No more put shy. Abangene Felix. Bangene Felix. Hayi guys. Bruh, Molalela album Across. It has no skips. I'm not being biased right now. I'm telling you. It has no skips. Like no skips. And on top of to give you something, guys, as I there's one thing I don't think I notice, ne? How many churches as Zion or how many Zion choirs sing a suit? Livers, cross, blessing, river. Surely ni namanzo kuphela. I haven't heard ingoma ebayiculayo bona or they've dropped the song bona ebacula ngesuthu. But it's only a handful of churches. Oh, nekhala bangcwele. It's only a handful of churches ebacula ngesuthu. Like, bro, that should tell you, ukuthi, bro, we are not ready. We are not ready for the music your drop for the next 6 years. We are not. Mean I'll be here sitting on this chair, screaming you one. Ah! The same way being screaming when this song came out. And I told you guys, this album is going to shake South Africa, bro. Look what it's doing right now. Mongang call. Go to the internet, go to TikTok, go to Facebook, go to YouTube, and search this song. Yo Pagamita, Upala by Christ, our Rock of Salvation Ministries. Yo Pagamizita. Search it and come back and comment on it. Maybe this song in a couple of months pumile, but mhlambe in iminyaka ekhona. But cross like this. Oh. Ow! Nangomunye babgama ngale. Ulandela uDenzel. Mr. Washington. Seriously, man. The reason why but me now, why ngimbiza ngoDenzel? Because this man murders every song he sings. I see again, I don't need to react anyway further than this. In the favorite way to Mr. Chupitam sending us adios. But listen, guys. This man murders any. Yipi ngoma. Whoa. Yipi ngoma. Ne? Tell me. Yipi ngoma. Ekula uDenzel. That you went like, yippee. Which one? And wait. Exactly. That's why I call him Denzel. Nobody touches this guy. Listen. I'm willing to fight. No man getting biased. It's fine. I am That's why is a Denzel Washington. Because this man is so articulated. Bro, I don't know how he thinks. And ask him. Denzel, Mr. Se, how do you technicalize everything? How do you then we keep how does he do it, bro? That is why I need to Denzel must be careful. Yazi ngibona age. Izwa? Now my agents are cool. Hey, now it's cool. Hey, you do too much. Mm. Now I understand why people get hyped whenever a cross pulls up. Like, I genuinely do. I understand. Apart from me being there with it, like, I genuinely do. Bro, remember what I said around Good Friday, right? During the Easter time. I said, when you eliminate jealousy and competition in any institution, you get the best abilities of everyone. This is what we're always talking about. That is why that's going to be my slogan because I feel like when everyone is working towards the common goal, trust and believe, bro. You go, yay, yay, guys, yankuza. How my aging? How about I swing and my voice? This lady was just swinging her voice like because I'm, hey, that's a swing, ngayo. At the shwi, at the shwi, and you sit there, you go like, like 2 days in shit. More like for 2 days, nyana and shit. Bro, he alto Elebandla, whenever they sing this song, it sounds so uplifting all the time. I do encourage you, bro, Guti. I will leave the link to this video on my description below. Go and listen to it without me talking, bro. And then listen to Alto every time Olalela the song. Also the way Alto Bambang Akon. Right? You can focus on it then and when you want to. That's fine. But for me, personally for me, Yabani Alto on this song particular, oh man, they killing it. Oh, they killing it. They killing it, bro. Excuse me. And then Maso Tretile, ne? Maso, because I would miss this. With me, when you listen to a song maybe like 6, 7 times so that you can listen to different voices. Maso Tretile ulalele Ipeka and the first part. Listen to the relationship between Ipeka and the first. I am telling you. Uzoizwa lenting izwa. Then after that, you can focus with bass, you can focus with tenor, you can focus with Mel Becker, all of that. After that, you can do that. When you listen to Ingo Mesa Zion, listen to it multiple times. So that, and then by the time so it and your ears are focused on everything, and then you put it all together, yo! And these are Baba Ut. Ah! Let my age. Bruh, if not one of the best upcoming soprano voices right now, I don't know. I am not. Hey, listen. Lelo soprano. Just argue. If you wanna argue, go fight with yourself. But if not, Who is that? Who is this? I think Baba Fage does. Awuzwe nje. Iyabona mangintshela ukuthi uDenzel is very technical. Change Whoever shot this, I big up to that person, bro. Awuzwe nje. Awuzwe. Bruh, I go argue with yourself. I go argue with yourself. Mina ngikho lapha mina vesana ngikubheka so. Labangaziyo bayangazi. This song has a life of its own, bro. It just keeps proving its dominance, bro. The way it's taken over the internet. You know, I always say when you are a person olalela or olandela something, you need to always keep track of it, right? Ungayilaleli guy one, guy two, and after that, most of you be like, Gandhi, because you don't do follow up. Follow up, bro. Follow up, Ezayon. Follow up, Ezayon, so that you will be like, man, Gandhi, gonna impact nga. Follow up. Follow up. You will understand and realize the importance of a lot of things because why? When what we call follow up. Follow up. That's it. So I Bazalwane, it's been crazy. So yo, in the favorite retro food, Mystery Cupid, I'm signing out, and whoever shot that video, big ups to those people, man. I think the details have a share in the description somewhere. So yo, in the favorite retro food, Mystery Cupid, I'm signing out. Adios.